What's the meaning of catch-all? Catch-all. Catch-all.
Catch-all. Catch-all. The term catch-all refers to something that is designed to encompass all possible options or scenarios. For example, a catch-all email account is one that receives all emails regardless of the intended recipient. In a business context, a catch-all strategy may be used by a company to cater to all customer segments and market niches, rather than focusing on a specific target market. However, while a catch-all approach may seem inclusive, it can also dilute a company's branding and message, leading to confusion among customers and stakeholders.